Good morning, everyone. Saturday once again, and I'm Brad Cruz, and I'm excited to bring you a new SMS-iT webinar on SMS polls. Today, we will be discussing what SMS polls are, why you should use them, the benefits of using them, creative ways to engage customers with polls, best practices for getting most out of your polls, and finally, resources on leveraging SMS-iT polls to grow your business. So let's get started. What are SMS polls and why use them? SMS polls are a type of survey conducted via text message. They allow businesses to gather customer feedback and opinions quickly. They can be used to gather a wide range of information such as customer satisfaction, preferences, opinions, and feedback on new products or services. SMS using SMS it polls can provide you with a range of powerful benefits, which include high response rates. SMS polls have high response rates because most people carry their mobile phones with them at all times, and text messages are likely to be read and responded to quickly. It's also easy to set up and send out. SMS it polls make it easy to create and send out SMS polls, allowing businesses to gather feedback quickly and efficiently. It's also cost effective. SMS it polls are cost effective it's a cost effective way to gather customer feedback as they require no printing or postage costs. You can also get real time data. SMS it polls allows businesses to gather real time data which can be used to make timely business decisions. It also has broad reach. SMS polls can reach a broad customer base, including those who may not have internet access. Then we have personalization. SMS it polls allow businesses to personalize SMS polls, making it more likely that customers will respond. Then we have automation. SMS it can automate the process of sending out SMS polls, which can save businesses time and resources. Then we have integration with other systems. SMS it can be integrated with other systems such as CRM, allowing businesses to gather customer feedback and store it in one location. Then we have reports and analytics. SMS-IT provided SMS-IT provide detailed reports and analytics on the results of SMS polls, which can be used to analyze customer feedback and make business decisions. And here are some creative ways to use SMS polls to engage your customers. Number one is conduct surveys. Use SMS polls to gather customer feedback on your products or services and to gather insights on customer preferences and opinions. Two is poll customers on new product or service ideas. Use SMS polls to gather customer input on new products or service ideas and to gauge customer interest in new offerings. Then we have number three, collect customer feedback. Use SMS polls to gather customer feedback on various aspects of your business, such as customer service, store design, and overall customer satisfaction. Fourth is engage customers with special offers. Use SMS polls to gather customer preferences and tailor special offers or discounts accordingly. And finally, run contests or games. Use SMS polls to engage customers with fun contests or games, such as trivia questions or guessing games. These can be used to promote your products or services or to gather customer feedback in a fun and engaging way. So, learn how to create SMS polls with ease in your SMS platform. We have this step by step video tutorial by Elvis. Just click the link above to get started now and take advantage of this SMS marketing tool. SMS polls can be used by a wide range of industries to gather customer feedback and insights. Some industries can take advantage of SMS polls include the retail industry. SMS polls can be a great way to gauge customer satisfaction with their experience in store. By sending out polls to customers who have recently visited the store, you can get honest feedback about their experience and make improvements to the customer experience based on that feedback. In the hospitality industry, SMS polls can be used to learn more about customer preferences and satisfaction with the hotel or restaurant. By sending out polls about after a customer's stay or dining experience, you can gain insight into what they liked and didn't like and make improvements and changes. The healthcare industry can use SMS polls to gain a better understanding of patient satisfaction by asking patients about their experiences with doctors, nurses, and other healthcare staff. They can gain important feedback that can be used to improve patient care and satisfaction. Then we have education. The education industry can take advantage of SMS polls to gain a better understanding of student satisfaction by asking students about their experiences with teachers, course material, other aspects of their education. Schools can gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't when it comes to delivering the best educational experience possible. The entertainment industry can also benefit from SMS polls by gauging customer interest in upcoming events and or shows. By sending out polls to customers who have expressed interest in an event or show, you can get an idea of how many people are actually interested in attending and adjust your marketing efforts. Service industries such as banks and insurance companies can also use SMS polls to get feedback from customers about their experiences. By asking customers about their satisfaction with customer service, for example, you can use that feedback to make improvements to the customer experience. We have two additional more SMS polls can also be used to gain insights from employees. Companies can ask employees about their satisfaction with their jobs, the company's policies and procedures, or the workplace environment. This feedback can be used to improve the employee experience and encourage a productive and positive workplace. For marketing departments, SMS polls can be used to gain insights into customer preferences, interests, and behaviors. Companies can ask customers questions about their preferred methods of receiving communications, their satisfaction with promotions, or their preferences for new products and services. This feedback can be used to create more effective marketing campaigns, target potential customers more accurately, and increase conversions. Now, here are some tips for implementing SMS polls with SMS services. Number one is optimize your questions. Make sure your questions are clear, concise, and easy to understand. Avoid using complex or technical language and make sure your questions are relevant to your target audience. Number two is choose the right timing. Timing is crucial when it comes to SMS polls. Choose a time when your target audience is most likely to be available to respond. And number three is make it fun. Use creative and engaging language to make your polls more interesting and fun for customers to respond to. You can also use incentives. Use incentives to encourage customers to respond to your polls. This could be something as simple as a discount on their next purchase or a chance to win a prize. And lastly, is analyze the results. Use the analytics and reporting features of SMS-iT to analyze the results of your polls. Use the data to make informed business decisions and to improve your products and services. In conclusion, SMS polls are a powerful tool for businesses to gather customer feedback and insights. They are easy to set up and send out, have high response rates, and can be used to gather real time data. Businesses like you can use SMS polls to gather customer feedback on new products or services, gather customer preferences, and tailor promotions or discounts accordingly. It can gauge customer satisfaction, gather customer input on new store layouts or design changes, their opinion on new marketing campaign, their preferences on new features for mobile apps or websites, their customer opinions on new packaging or branding, their opinion on new store hours or locations, their opinion on new customer service policies, and gather customer opinions on new employee training programs. Industries such as retail, hospitality, healthcare, education, entertainment can take advantage of SMS polls and use strategies such as personalization, timing, incentives, analysis in action, and automation to gather customer feedback and improve their products and services. Looking for help with your queries? Click the Let's Chat button below to get in touch with our customer support team through our website. Our chat box and help desk are also available inside a cloud and decentralized platform. Alternatively, click the Email Us button to send us an email. For more information about SMS It polls, click the Learn More button to be taken to our SMS It Money Making series. Thank you for your interest in our webinar, and we look forward to seeing you next Saturday at 10 a.m. Elvis will take it from here. Elvis.